Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off timer for our camera Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to camera and if you take photo, if it counts some more time to capture image, you can turn off this timer if you don't wish. Okay, now only it completed. Okay, if you would like to turn off this timer and if you would like to immediately capture image, then go here and select the first option, and timer is now set to 0, and with immediate effect after pressing the shutter button you will get capturing. Okay, see here. Yes, captured. So in this way you can easily turn off camera timer if you have already set or wrongly set or accidentally set in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.